So guys, here is here one more Rayyan video has been came on the channel, and in today's video we are solving our 446 question by the name of arithmetic slices to subsequence. Okay, so please like this video, share friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you don't miss these type of videos on the Rayyan channel. But anyways, let's start to solve a 446 question. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So let's start our 446 question by the name of arithmetic slices 2 by the name of subsequence. So let's start. So first of all, we understand the question carefully, yes, with the examples. Then we will be solve this question. And let's see the topic is on about. Topic is on about arrays and dynamic programming. Okay. In the many videos, if I see the topic, there is coming array. Okay. On the array the solving is very coming. Okay, so let's copy this. Okay, and these also copy this key constraints. Okay, and now drag and drop into a word file, so we will be understand this carefully. Okay, so any drag and drop. So let me give him to the font to the pop in. So let's start. Now it is saying me given an integer array nums. Okay, it has been given one integer array by the name of nums. Now our task is in today's video, we want to return the number of all the arithmetic subsequence of a nums. Okay, arithmetic subsequence. Please highlight this word arithmetic subsequences. Okay, we return the number of all the arithmetic subsequences of nums. Okay, so this is our task in today's video. A sequence of numbers is called arithmetic if it consists of at least 3 elements. Please highlight this at least 3 elements, and if the difference between any two consecutive elements is the same. For example, this one is first example 1 3 5 7 9, then 7 7 7, and then 3 minus 1 minus 5 and minus 9 are the arithmetic sequences. For example, if 1 1 2 5 7 is not an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so I hope you understand this. A subsequence, please highlight this word subsequence of an array. A subsequence of an array is a sequence that can be formed by removing some elements, possibly none of the array. For example, like 2 5 and 10, it's a subsequence of 1 2 1, then please highlight it 2, then 4 1, then 5 and 10, highlighted this. The test cases are generated so that the answer fits in the 32-bit integer. This one example when it has been given me here, he created one integer array by the name of nums, in which he wrote it down 2 4 6 8 10, and the output will be coming 7 because all the arithmetic subsequence slices are 2 4 6 4 6 8 6 8 10, 2 4 6 8 4 6 8 10, then 2 4 6 8 10 and 2 6 10. So that's why the output will be coming 7, because all the arithmetic subsequence slices are these. Okay, so in our case 1 our output will become 7. Okay, now let's move to our case 2. Let's move on case 2. In the case 2 here he created one integer array by the name of nums, in which he writes 7 7 7. 5 times he writes 7, and the output will become 16 because any subsequence of this array is arithmetic. So that's why the output will be coming 16. So in our case 1, our output will become 7, and our case 2, our output will become 16. And these are the constants which we have used to solve this question. Okay, like 1 less than equals to nums dot length less than equal to 1000, like these type of. Okay, you can also read it. Okay, so but anyways, let's start to solve this question, because I have understand the question carefully. Yes, so I hope you will be also understood the question. Okay, carefully. So now let's start to solve this. So to solve this, first of all, I am maximize all. Okay, now let's start to write a code. First of all, I am starting to write a code from the starting. Okay, in the first of all I create a one class by the name of solution. Like all the people know, if you are solving any question in the LeetCode camp, so we will be create a class of a solution. Okay, this is one class. Okay, now define a def keyword in which you write number of arithmetic. Please O and A should be in capital. Okay, and slices as will be also be in capital. Then define yourself, comma nums, then semicolon, then list, and then in the square bracket int. And then when you define here int in the square bracket, define here minus greater than int. Perfect. Now define here n, in which you define n variable in which you want to define a length of our nums array integer. Okay. Then define here total count. What you define here? You will define here total count in which you wrote it down 0. Okay. Then define here dp equals to then default text, and then define here int. And one more thing, give the space from here, define your for loop, and then underscore in range, and then end. We are defining these type of code in the one line. Okay. Now define here one more for loop in which you write I in range 1 comma n, and then semicolon, enter. Now define here one more for loop for j in range I, and then semicolon. Then define here I think to diff equals to nums, then I, then space give here minus nums, then j. Perfect. dp I. Okay, and remove these all the codes, okay, which has already been written down. Okay, dp I, then define a diff plus equals to 1. Now define a if statement diff in dp j, semicolon. Now dp I, then define the same thing, diff plus equals to dp j, then diff, enter. Now total count here you define in which you write plus equals to dp j, then diff, enter. Back, and then back. Define here return total count. Okay, perfect. Now we define our all the code successfully here. So let's see the running. So now let's see it. So first of all, this is a hard one. Okay, now let's read the question carefully. Yes, okay. Given an integer array by the name of nums, we want to return the number of all the arithmetic subsequences of the nums. A subsequence of a numbers is called arithmetic if it consists at least 3 elements, and if the difference between any two consecutive elements is the same. For example, 1 3 5 7 9 7 7 7 and 3 1 5. Okay, perfect. So let's run it. So I hope it not give me any error. So when I run it, so it is giving me the error. Okay, by the mistake I write here 1 also, so remove this in the line 4. Okay, and now there is 2,86,000 people have submitted this, and only 1,56,000 accepted, and acceptance rate is 54.6%. Okay, so it must be harder. Okay, so now let's start. So now here you can see it is perfect. Our case when our output will become expected output is 7, and my also output has been coming 7, and in the case 2 the expected output has been 16, and my also output has been coming 16. So easily as we solve our 446 question by the name of arithmetic /2 subsequence. So in today's video we solved this question. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss these type of videos on this channel. So anyways, first of all, let's see the submission. I've already run it, but I do not submit this. So let's see the submission of this code. So when I submit this code, the submission of this code is also be correct. Here you can see it, and we solve in the 408 milliseconds. We solve this question very easily. Yes. So I hope you enjoy this video. So now, anyways, let me meet you in the next class, next solving video. Let me meet you in the next solving video. So now for today, goodbye.